American Express Merchant Services presents Unconventional Wisdom, Rethinking Business Assumptions. You shouldn't pay yourself a salary. As a small business owner, you're driven by passion for your work, and you probably have to juggle a lot of responsibilities to keep your company healthy. Many owners avoid paying themselves to keep more money in the business. Instead of taking home a paycheck, they rely on their savings, a second job, or help from their families to get by. Not paying yourself can be a useful tactic when times are tough. Research shows that 49% of small business owners don't pay themselves a salary, and 14% work a second job while running their business. But if you're turning a healthy profit and your business is growing, it may be time to rethink your salary, or lack thereof. Business consultant Belinda Summers says a salary gives a more accurate picture of your company's net income and expenses, which helps show how much your company is valued and how much money it can borrow or raise. Paying yourself also shows confidence in your company's performance and can be useful when looking for investors or if you're ever planning to sell the business. Salary ranges tend to vary based on business conditions and the owner's level of experience. Of course, you shouldn't break the bank by paying yourself too much either, as that can raise red flags from the IRS. If pumping up your paycheck would hurt your ability to cover your expenses, pay your employees, or fund expansion efforts, then you might be better off forgoing a salary after all. If you decide to take a salary or raise, seek advice from an accountant to help figure out the right amount for your paycheck. You work hard for your business. If your company is reaping the rewards of your labor, maybe you should too. For more from American Express Merchant Services on how to grow or manage your business, visit knowledgecenter.americanexpress.com.